Feeling overwhelmed by project chaos? Trello can be your project management superhero. In this video, we're diving into how Trello can transform your workflow and boost your team's productivity. First, let's create a board, your project's central hub. Click Create Board and name it something descriptive, like website redesign or marketing campaign. Choose a background to personalize it. Next, establish your workflow by creating lists. Common lists include to-do, in progress, and completed, but customize them to fit your project's phases. Simply click Add a List and type in your desired name. Now, let's populate your lists with cards. These represent individual tasks. Click Add a Card under the appropriate list and name the task. Open the card to add a detailed description, like specific instructions or required resources. To assign tasks, click Members and choose the relevant team member. Setting due dates is crucial, so click Dates and select a deadline. Trello will even send reminders as the due date approaches. The magic of Trello lies in its drag-and-drop functionality. As a task progresses, simply drag its card from to-do to in progress and finally to completed. This provides a visual representation of your project's status. Collaboration is key. Use the comment section within each card to communicate with team members, ask questions, and share updates. You can also attach relevant files directly to the card, keeping everything organized in one place. And that's it. With Trello's intuitive interface and powerful features, you can streamline your projects, enhance team collaboration, and ultimately achieve better outcomes. Start using Trello today and say goodbye to project chaos.